Need to send your Google Doc as a professional looking PDF from your phone? It only takes a few taps, and I'll show you exactly how right now. First, open the Google Docs app and tap on the document you want to convert. Once your document is open, look for the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Tap them to open the menu. In the menu that slides out, tap on Share and Export. This is where all the sharing options live. From the new set of options, choose Send a Copy. The app will ask you to choose a format. Make sure that PDF is selected, then tap OK. Your iPhone's share sheet will now pop up from the bottom. From here, you can directly save to files to keep the PDF on your phone, or you can send it to anyone that you want through mail, messages, AirDrop, or any other app that you have. I'm going to save it using Files, Save to Files. It's going to ask us to save where in the file system. I'm just going to save it in this particular folder. Now, if I open my Files app, we could see that the PDF is exported. If that was fast and helpful, hit that subscribe button for more essential iPhone and app tutorials. What other Google Docs features have you stumped? Drop a comment below and I might make a video about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.